It's my first time on a sea kayak. It's a little tippy. Anyway, it goes pretty fast. My current guests are out having a beer and let me borrow one of their boats. They got a super narrow, really lightweight one. So I opted for the one that's a little safer. This one here. So it's kind of rough all day, and then the wind died down and it's just peaceful. About a half a mile toward inside of the bay toward M22. I don't know if we can see the beach. Where am I headed to? Can't see it. Can't see it in here. Oh, there it is. So, good times on the water.